2017 Ford Mustang EcoBoost. 4-cylinder, turbo. There's the original converter there. Then we did a Y pipe setup on it. Right there, we took the resonator out. And then continued the original pipe. And it's got BORLA ATAKS right there. And right there. That were installed on it earlier in the year. So we just took the resonator off also. There it is. Ford Mustang EcoBoost. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. There's the Y pipe. You can hear that turbo breathe, baby. Again. There's sound decibels. With the pop is 109. Without the pop, 103. Let you guys hear on the inside. So we got two of them, but we recorded this one, so we'll let you guys hear it driving up. And then her friend is gonna follow her, and he's got a full 3-inch system, fully modded. So
I'm going that way.
okay, well then I'll come back this way. Not bad. Hell yeah. Enjoy it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Shout out to Voodoo on Nut Meats on Instagram for her. Damn, got a phone call and it cut me off. So we'll record her friend. Nice.